decided to stay in Miami through a hurricane because I wanted to see this shit. I live here, this is my home. If something's gonna happen, I want to see it happen. I want to be there when it happens. Guess what? That shit fucking happened.
DreAllDay.com.
This little strip here is never this quiet at this time of day. 5:00 p.m. Friday, September 8th. This may be the last time we see Ripple Avenue. Looking this way, just made an Instagram post. A lot of people have been asking, with the storm coming, Dre, where are you going? Are you evacuating? Please be somewhere safe. I appreciate everyone who's reached out, whether online or on the phone or texting me. We are staying in Miami to ride out the storm. We're in a new construction building, strictest building codes in all the United States of America. Stairwells are reinforced concrete. The elevator shafts are safe. Some of the safest places you could be during this type of situation. We got food, batteries, chargers, water. We got all that stuff. There's other people who are still in a lot of these buildings staying around, so it's not just us by ourselves. There's people outside right now. Whatever happens, we are going to deal with it. We will be standing when it's over. We will survive this. I will let y'all know what's going on via updating my story as soon as I'm capable of that, if power goes out or anything like that. Just keep us in your thoughts, keep us in your prayers, and work on your game. Dre all day, signing out from Miami until I sign back in. With that space, it's still dead quiet. You look out, you see 95 South out there. There are hardly any cars. There's one car riding by. .30 p.m. Saturday evening. The winds are coming in heavy. It's coming from the other side of the building. It's blowing against the building right now. 7:20 a.m. I promise you, I'm not doing that on purpose. This is actually the swaying of the fucking building. Yo, that shit's getting bigger. Just from the wind. You hear these sounds? You hear it sound like a fucking haunted house, making these doors slam open and shut. You hear this shit? Sound like it's ghost in this motherfucker. This shit crazy. You hear this shit? It's like a movie. So we are outside now. You see the news guys down there. I think they want to go live. Sunday morning, September 10th, 2017, live from Miami, Florida. Hurricane Irma is here. It's very windy right now. A lot of small trees, like thinner trees. Building is swaying back and forth. The situation outside is pretty much the same as it has been. As you can see in the street, some trees getting blown over. It's not terrible. The direction of the wind has shifted. It was going this way, now it's going that way. How you doing? Good. This is the current situation. You can see all this water out in the streets. It has overflowed into the streets of Miami. This is downtown Ripple, Miami. So this is the gym in the building. This is the gym. See the workout equipment and all this shit. They put all the stuff from the pool is in here. This is all stuff from the swimming pool. They stored it in here during the storm. These doors were locked. These doors were locked. The sandbags. You see the sandbags down there? It was to keep the rain out and keep anything from getting messed up. But the wind is so strong, it fucking forced the damn doors open. And now we got this situation right here. Power is out. It just went out 30 seconds ago. It's still out. Yo, it's dark as a motherfucker. Elevator does not work. Fucking water. There's a couple people in there taking pictures and shit. I know that girl. She used to work at the gym. No, there's a car driving through there. Fuck it, they were the news dudes. They still here. Current situation in Miami is unbelievable. It's unbelievable with the F. F. That's a combination of fucking and unbelievable. Downtown Miami. Welcome to Brickell. And you damn sure ain't walking there. If you got a pet, I don't know what you're gonna figure that shit out. Welcome to Biscayne Bay in the middle of the street. This is Biscayne Bay in the middle of the street. Power went out in my building about an hour ago. So I'm just taking a walk through Brickell right now just to show y'all what's going on. Water is still coming in. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's still coming in. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the wind is blowing hard as shit. And water is still coming over the wall. It's not even raining no more. So this is the shit they talk about. They talk about storm surge. I didn't know what a storm surge was. They were just talking on the news all these last couple of days. Like, watch out for the storm surge. Watch out for the storm surge. Me and my girl's like, what the fuck is a storm surge? We looked it up. It's when the wind from the storm makes the water from the ocean blow in to the land. So as you can see in the streets. Just a lot of downed branches, a lot of small tree branches got. Yeah, as you can see, this wind is not letting up. This is Miami Ave. Can you see that water just sweeping up in the air? .4:32 a.m. Monday, September 11th, in Miami, this area. My building is still without power. All of the city, the 9 high-rise areas, all of this, these are houses, and ain't no power. Good news is we got light in the hallways again. Bad news is still no power. We need power. The water's working. Water is working, which is a good thing. I just sent out an email too. If you're not on my email list when you're watching this, get on my list. Go to dreallday.com. It works. South Brickell Avenue. Some trees didn't make it through. So this is Biscayne Bay. Morning after. Water is normal now. Some trees got uprooted. These cars just got moved by the water. So all that water you saw yesterday flooding into the streets of Miami, it was coming in right here. This is the wall that the water was coming over yesterday. right over here flooded this whole street all the way out to Brickell Avenue. You see how high that fucking wall is? How high the water had to rise to come over that wall? That's what it did yesterday. So, Biscayne Bay, you would never know anything happened yesterday. But this tree, it knows. This whole landscaping got tore up. The whole situation got tore up. And I don't know a lot about boats, but I don't think this one's supposed to be this low to the water. You tell me. R.I.P. to that boat. And this one over here too. Biscayne Bay, I love you. Always kept cut and clean. All this trash shit you see in the grass, all this got washed up. Trash washed up. Miami River leading into Biscayne Bay. Hurricane Irma has passed. It's the best view in Miami right here.
Hey, witness on the beat.
Bike ride. Went down Coconut Grove today. Through some areas of Coconut Grove. Yeah, Miami Beach is closed off right now. Nobody can go to Miami Beach right now, even if you wanted to. So